This is a rare video that shows all the physicists that worked on quantum mechanics attending the Solvay conference that took place in 1927. That conference was the first time in which quantum mechanics was introduced to all the other physicists. In the video here, we see Niels Bohr talking to Erwin Schrödinger, in which Schrödinger hated the quantum interpretation while Bohr supported it. Joins them Werner Heisenberg, who came up with the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, speaking with Paul Ernevest. Here in the video, we have Henrik Kramer, who was a student of Niels Bohr, Paul Dirac, who came up with the antimatter idea that came up from quantum mechanics. And here we have Max Born, who came up with the statistical interpretation of quantum mechanics that removed the idea of determinism and introduced probabilities. Later in the video here, we have Louis de Broglie, who came up with the equation that describes electron as behaving like waves, inspired from the behavior of light. And here in this shot, we have all the quantum physicists speaking to each other. Imagine being in the midst of all of that, listening to the ideas that they were talking about the quantum interpretation of the atomic world, being introduced for the first time. It's an idea that I cannot comprehend, being in there. Then later in the shot, we have Arthur Compton exiting, then Max Born, then Madame Curie, and Albert Einstein. Einstein is known to have hated quantum mechanics until he died, and he never accepted the idea. So imagine being at that conference, speaking with all these physicists as they were debating whether quantum mechanics was true or not. This is one of my favorite videos in physics, as it showcases the physics and the science that was being done during that time in the Solvay conference in 1927, which was the main time to contribute to the field of physics, where revolution after revolution was taking place at that time.